It is divided into three parts. A. Introducing Indian society, in which you will learn. Hello everyone, my name is Savina. I am good and I hope you are also doing good. In the last video, I have discussed the syllabus of Sociology optional UPSC subject paper 1. Today I will discuss the syllabus of paper 2. Let's take a look at this topic. Here are the topics. Indian society structure and changes. It is divided into three parts. A. Introducing Indian society, in which you will learn perspective on the study of Indian society. Number 2. Impact of colonial rule on Indian society. B. Social structure, in which you will learn rural and agrarian social structure. 2. Caste system. Number 3. Tribal communities in India. Number 4. Social classes in India. Number 5. System of kinship in India. Number 6. Religion and society. C. Social changes in India, in which you will learn vision of social change in India. Number 2. Rural and agrarian transformation in India. Number 3. Industrialization and urbanization in India. Number 4. Politics and society. Number 5. Social movement in modern India. Number 6. Population dynamics. Number 6. Challenges of social transformation. Okay guys, in the last, I want to close this video with this motivational line. Your journey is a story waiting to be written, and every challenge is a pen in your hand. Write it boldly, live it passionately, and let the ink of determination create a masterpiece of success. Okay, happy learning. All the best. Thank you so much.